When you're creating activities for students, one way to engage them and get their attention is to use interesting fonts in your presentation. It may be something that's eye-catching, maybe you're just trying to make things really easy to read, but you can add so many fonts when you're working inside Google. Here, I've got a Google slide open, and as if I'm going to make a presentation for students, and I want to have an interesting font for my title. So when I click in the title area, I can come up to my font menu, and I've got quite a few fonts that I can select from, and some of those might be just the one I want. But maybe I want something new. So the way you add fonts in Google is you just click on More Fonts, and that will bring you to Google's font menu. And the list goes on, and it goes on, and it goes on, and it just continues to go on. If you see something in blue, that means it's a font that you've already downloaded to your computer, and it's a part of your list over here on the side. If you want to add more fonts, you can simply scroll through the list until you find something you like, or it's interesting to pull some of these menus. What's good for a big display, nice bold-faced fonts? Or maybe you want something that looks like handwriting, and that's a way to find those. Or I want to look at all fonts, but I want to sort by what's trending right now. What are other people using? That's a good way to find some interesting fonts as well. When you find a font that you want, click it, say OK, and now that's the font in your new menu. So those are the steps for adding fonts to your Google font menu, and it's a great way to add interest in your Google Slides or your Google Docs.